Mark, I know many English words, but when I speak, I freeze.
I understand. Words are not enough. You need full sentences.
So, what do I do?
Today, we practice 100 sentences for daily life. You listen and you repeat.
100 sentences. Let's start.
First, how does this work?
I will say a sentence, then you repeat it.
Say it out loud, not in your head, out loud.
Copy our rhythm. Copy our sound.
Ready? Let's begin.
Set 1. Greetings and small talk. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you? I'm good, thanks. And you?
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
How's it going? How's it going?
Long time no see. Long time no see.
Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
See you later. See you later.
What's your name? What's your name?
Where are you from? Where are you from?
Take care. Take care.
10 sentences. Great start.
Set 2. Daily routine.
I wake up at 7. I wake up at 7.
I'm having breakfast. I'm having breakfast.
I'm going to work. I'm going to work.
I'm a little tired. I'm a little tired.
Let's have lunch. Let's have lunch.
I'm going home now. I'm going home now.
I need some rest. I need some rest.
What time is it? What time is it?
I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed.
Good night. Good night.
20 sentences. Keep going.
Set 3. Out and about.
Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, can you help me?
Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom?
Is it far from here? Is it far from here?
How do I get there? How do I get there?
I'm a little lost. I'm a little lost.
Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help.
What time does it open? What time does it open?
Is it open today? Is it open today?
It's over there. It's over there.
Have a good one. Have a good one.
30 sentences. Wonderful.
Set 4. Feelings and problems.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
I don't feel well. I don't feel well.
I'm a little worried. I'm a little worried.
What's wrong? What's wrong?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
It's not working. It's not working.
Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please?
I'm really tired today. I'm really tired today.
That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
I feel much better now. I feel much better now.
40 sentences. You're amazing.
Set 5. Being polite and saying thanks.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
That's okay. That's okay.
No problem. No problem.
Could you say that again? Could you say that again?
Nice to see you. Nice to see you.
You're a lifesaver. You're a lifesaver.
Have a great day. Have a great day.
50 sentences. Halfway there.
Set 6. Food and eating.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
I'd like a coffee, please. I'd like a coffee, please.
Can I see the menu? Can I see the menu?
What do you recommend? What do you recommend?
It's delicious. It's delicious.
I'm full, thank you. I'm full, thank you.
Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please?
Is it spicy? Is it spicy?
Just water, please. Just water, please.
That was a great meal. That was a great meal.
60 sentences. Keep it up.
Set 7. Travel and directions.
I have a reservation. I have a reservation.
Where is the station? Where is the station?
Go straight ahead. Go straight ahead.
Turn left at the corner. Turn left at the corner.
Is this the right way? Is this the right way?
One ticket, please. One ticket, please.
What time is the train? What time is the train?
Is Wi-Fi free? Is Wi-Fi free?
Can you call a taxi? Can you call a taxi?
Have a safe trip. Have a safe trip.
70 sentences. So good.
Set 8. Shopping.
How much is this? How much is this?
Can I try this on? Can I try this on?
Do you have a bigger size? Do you have a bigger size?
I'm just looking, thanks. I'm just looking, thanks.
It fits perfectly. It fits perfectly.
I'll take it. I'll take it.
Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card?
Do you need a bag? Do you need a bag?
It's too expensive. It's too expensive.
Is it on sale? Is it on sale?
80 sentences. Almost done.
Set 9. At work and study.
Can I ask a question? Can I ask a question?
I don't understand. I don't understand.
Could you explain that? Could you explain that?
I'm almost done. I'm almost done.
Let's take a break. Let's take a break.
I'll do it now. I'll do it now.
What does this mean? What does this mean?
Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this?
Good job, everyone. Good job, everyone.
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
90 sentences. One more set.
Set 10. Making plans.
Are you free tonight? Are you free tonight?
Let's meet at 6. Let's meet at 6.
Where should we go? Where should we go?
That sounds great. That sounds great.
I can't make it. I can't make it.
Maybe next time. Maybe next time.
Let me check my calendar. Let me check my calendar.
I'll call you later. I'll call you later.
See you there. See you there.
Can't wait. Can't wait.
100 sentences. You did it.
That was incredible. You should feel proud of yourself.
I know it was not easy, but you did it. You finished all 100 sentences.
Now, here is what to do next.
Don't stop here. Practice these sentences again tomorrow and the day after.
Speaking English is like a muscle. You need to practice every day.
If you practice every day, you will improve fast.
Your pronunciation will get clearer. Your confidence will grow stronger. Your English will feel natural.
Did this video help you? Please tap the like button. It really helps us.
Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell. Then you won't miss a new lesson.
Share this video with a friend who is learning English too. Let's help each other.
And now, a question for you.
Which set was the most helpful? Was it greetings, daily routine, or shopping?
Tell us one sentence you learned today. Write it in the comments.
We read every comment, and we love hearing from you.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
Keep practicing, keep improving, and believe in yourself.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and good luck.